A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and staying very well at your homes. So children, let us start today's mathematics class. This is class 10th, subject mathematics, chapter number 12, area related to circles. Children, today through this video, I am going to show you your test paper of chapter number 12, area related to circles. But before I show you your question paper, let me give you few important instructions which are very much important for you to listen. Number 1, all the questions are compulsory to attempt. Complete question paper is divided into 4 sections, that is section A, B, C and D. Section A consists of 1 markers which all are MCQs. Section B consists of 2 markers. Section C consists of 3 markers. And section D consists of long answer type questions which are of 4 marks each. Okay. Duration for the test is 1 hour. And the maximum marks for the test are 25. Complete question paper consists of total 13 questions. Clear, students? Now here is section A, 1 mark each, which all are multiple choice questions. Please have a look on them very carefully. In each MCQ there are 4 options given. You can see A, B, C, D. Children, you are supposed to solve these MCQs while drawing a margin on the right hand side of your sheet, and in main sheet you are just supposed to write down appropriate option number with appropriate answer. This is question number 3, which is again an MCQ. Here children, you can see that in a semicircle of radius, this is R units. Okay. So please read the questions carefully. Attempt them neatly, beautifully, with each and every step written by you. For MCQs, I just want the appropriate option with appropriate answer. Solution you can do on the right hand side margin drawn by you on your sheet. These all are the options of question number 7. Now children, section B is going to be start, 2 mark each. This is the diagram of question number 9. You are supposed to calculate the area of the shaded region. You can see A, B, D, C is the shaded region and central angle is of 40 degree. Now children, I am going to switch to section C. After calculating the area of corresponding segment of the circle in question number 10, suppose if in answer you will be getting √3, then you are supposed to put this value as well as the value of pi which will be used in this question, that is 3.14. This is question number 13, which is again of 3 mark. Children, this is figure of question number 11. Now, I am going to switch to section D, 4 marks each. Children, you are supposed to read the questions very carefully and attempt only that much whatever is demanded. Fine? And this is question number 13, last question. Children, all the best. Please attempt this test honestly, and the duration for the test is 1 hour. As soon as you complete it, you are supposed to mail it to me on my mail ID. Fine? Please be honest while attempting the test, I repeat, because it is far more honorable to fail than to cheat. So that's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.